Want to learn how to send money on PayPal mobile app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorial. So without any delay, let's get back into the video. For that, open up your PayPal account. Make sure to get logged into your own account. So here you can easily see what you can do is you can pay someone or you can get paid as well. So for this, either you can tap on send money option or you can simply scroll down, and on the bottom you can see that here's an option of pay from your phone. So tap on send now option here. As you do this, you need to sync your accounts to make it easier for you to send money with contacts at your fingerprints, or either you can enter the name or email of that particular person on PayPal. So I'm going to enter the email address. You can also do of your own. Make sure to enter a correct email address or a proper name of that person. So this is a particular email address that I want to send money to, so I'm going to tap on send to here. You can also do the same. Now what you can do is choose an amount of money that you want to send. I am going to enter here $100, so you can also choose of your own. As you do it, you can even add a message here where you can send them the details or any related messages that you want to send. I'll just keep it. Okay, I'm going to request her that please can you return it on time or something like that, and you can even add a GIF or you can even add stickers. And then tap on review option in the bottom right corner. As you do this, now you need to link a new card. That is, to cover this payment, you will need to add a new credit card. So tap on link a card option on the bottom. Now what you can do is you can start with a card number. For that, enter your card number, or either you can even scan your card by using a camera phone, or either you can enter your card information instead. So make sure to enter your card number, the correct one, and as you do this, then you need to fill all of the details asked by the PayPal for sending a complete money. So make sure to do all of these, alright, and then the money will be sent automatically. This is how you do it. This is how you send money on PayPal mobile app. So I hope I have just directed you to the correct place, and it is definitely going to help you. I'll see you in the next video.